Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Brigadier Dilshad Malik, Director BAS, and today was 7th April when our DCC, the new campus, that is Dream Cambridge campus, has become operational. So this very campus is conceived with the vision that, inshallah, in times to come, we are going to develop these children to be the future leaders. And it has been my long time dream that I should put up an institution where all the state-of-the-art facilities are available, and this is a campus which is equipped with all those basic facilities which contribute towards developing the personality of the child.
This is Amir Nabi Ablo, Principal, Dream Cambridge Campus, Askari School System. Today, 7th April 2025, Alhamdulillah, history has been written. We have, Alhamdulillah, started quite vibrantly with almost 180 students. So this dream has finally come true. I, from this platform of Askari School System, Dream Cambridge Campus, welcome all my shining stars, all my little masters and mistresses to this Dream Cambridge campus.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं यहाँ पे आया था अपने बच्चे के एडमिशन के हवाले से। मेरे ऑलरेडी बच्चे जो हैं वो बीके अस्करी मेन कैंपस पढ़ रहे हैं और ओवरऑल मैंने स्कूल विजिट किया तो माशाल्लाह से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा स्कूल बनाया है और इंशाल्लाह ताला यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ बच्चों को सीखने को मिलेगा और मॉडर्न दौर के हिसाब से स्कूल बना हुआ है। अल्लाह ने चाहा तो बहुत बेहतरी होगी यहाँ पे।